Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing which Gmail will act as primary and which will be linked. This matters for where new messages land. Once chosen, sign into the source account and enable IMAP in settings forwarding and POP/IMAP so messages can be fetched. Make sure you have two-factor authentication codes or app passwords on hand if required. These prevent access failures. Now, stay signed in to both accounts while you move to the next step, so authorization prompts appear immediately. You now switch to the primary Gmail and open Settings accounts and import. Once there, choose either Import Mail and Contacts for a one-time transfer or check mail from other accounts, POP3, to fetch continuously. Enter the secondary address and, when prompted, grant permission from the source account. This step authorizes reading and transferring messages. If two-factor authentication prevents login, create an app password in the source account and use that. Once configured, confirm import options like leaving a copy on server or labeling incoming mail. You finish by verifying that imported mail appears with the right labels and that any filters work as intended. Adjust Send Mail as settings so you can compose from the linked address. Once done, send a test message from an external address to confirm routing and reply as the linked account to validate identity. If mail stops syncing, make sure IMAP/POP remains enabled, reissue an app password if two-factor changed, and revisit the accounts and import permissions to reauthorize access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.